Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add more languages to your keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the System tile. And then select Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, physical keyboard, and then Tools. Select where it says under Tools, Spell Checker. Go ahead and select that. And then select Languages, use System Languages. And then you can select a different language from the list. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And then you can change the default spell checker as well if you had multiple ones installed. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.